Hello friends, welcome. So today we are making an hologram effect in Scratch. So you guys might have seen holograms in movies, and the nature of it is it's a transparent, and it's made out of lights, and it's always flickering. So we are going to make such kind of effect. So without further wasting any time, let's start. Generally we make holograms in the movies of space, so let's use that kind of background as well, and let's get rid of this default sprite, delete it, and first of all let's get our background. Go to choose a background option, and let's choose a background. Go scroll downwards, and I like this one, the stars. The darker it's the background, the more good the effect of hologram looks. So try to choose darker backgrounds, and let's choose our sprite. So let's click on the choose a sprite and go downwards, and I would like to choose this robot guy. Click it, and here is our robot. Let's place it in the center on the bottom part here. Okay, now first of all let's go to the events menu and drag away in green flag click block, and next let's go to the motions menu and drag go to XY block like this. So it always starts from this position 0 and -50. If we misplace this guy and we click on the green flag, this is the position where the guy should be, this robot should be. And next let's go to control menu and drag a forever loop, and next let's go to the looks menu and go downwards, and there is something called set color effect. We drag it and we put it inside the forever loop, and instead of setting the color we set the ghost effect. So the ghost effect makes the sprite a little bit of transparent, as the holograms looks transparent. And next let's go to operator menu and drag a pick a random number block. Inside this, set ghost effect in here, and we are just going to pick a random number from 10 to 30. So let's see what happens if I click in here. So it flickers, yeah, and it's very fast, flickering very fast. Stop it, and next let's go to looks menu again, and this time let's drag a change color effect block and below the set ghost effect block like this. And again let me just duplicate this pick a random number block, right click, duplicate, and place it inside the change color effect block like this. And let's change the color effect by -10 to 10. That's it. And let's give it a try. Click on the green flag, and that's what we see. Yeah, we stop it. Let's just put a little bit of delay. For that we go to control menu and drag a wet block below the change color effect block like this, and let's just wait for 0.01 seconds or 0.1 seconds every time. Yeah, while the loop hits, every time it just wait for 0.01 seconds before it's setting the ghost effect and changing the color effect again. Let's see our effect now. Click on the green flag, and it looks like this now, and stop it. And next let's just move our sprite a little bit up and down as well, so it looks more lively. For that let's go to the let's go to events menu and drag another when green flag click block. Next go to control menu, drag another forever loop, and next let's just drag a repeat 10 times block here, and next we go to the motions menu and drag go downwards, and there is something called change Y by 10. We drag it in here, and next let's go to the looks menu again and go downwards, and let's drag another change color effect block in here below the change Y by 10 block, and let's modify the numbers, change Y by 1, and instead of changing color effect we are going to select the brightness, and we are going to change by 1 only. And let me just duplicate this repeat 10 times block, right click, duplicate, and place it below the repeat 10 times block. And next we are going to change Y by -1 in here and change the brightness by -1. And let's see, click in the green flag, and this is what we get. Yeah, and let me stop it. And next what we're going to do is let's change the costume also. Yeah, for that we do the same thing, go to events menu, drag a when green flag click block, next go to control, drag a forever loop, and next let's go to the looks menu and drag a next costume block, and at last let's go to the control menu and drag a wet block below the next costume block, and just wait for 0.5 seconds. And now let's see our effect. Click in the green flag, and that's what effect we see. Yeah, let me stop it, and let's just introduce more sprites. Let's go to choose a sprite and go downwards, and where is it? Yeah, let's choose this guy, Ripley, and we'll press the Ripley right here. And what we do is we don't have to do anything, we just go to the robot here, this is our original sprite, and we just drag our code inside the Ripley like this, drag this one also, and lastly this one also. Let's see, every code is already up here, and the last thing we want to set is its position. So let me just get rid of this position and get its real position in here, go to XY block like this, and that's it. Let's see the effect now. Click on the green flag, and that's what we do. And let's make its motion a little bit different than this one. For that, let me click in the stop sign, and in here we just change the position of 2 repeat blocks like this. And now let's see. Yeah, lastly let's just introduce another sprite also. Click in the stop and to the sprite, go down. Where is it? Okay, let's introduce a rocket. Click in the rocket ship and put the rocket in here, and do the same thing, copy the whole code inside the rocket ship like this, and the last one. And let's click the rocket ship, separate the codes, and the next thing we want to do is we want to replace this one. Go to XY and we'll choose the go to XY of rocket ship, and that's it. Stop, click in the green flag, and these are our holograms. So these are transparent, yeah, we can see the background as well. And lastly, let's create our own text sprite. So go to the choose a sprite option, no, go back, we are going to paint our own sprite and choose a color. I will choose yellow and let's write text, and this looks good. Okay, let's use curly and click here and write your effect as so HOLOGRA HOLOGRAM EFFECT effect, and let me make it. What happened? Click in the pointer and make it a little bit bigger, put it in that center, and that's it. Go back to codes. Let me grab this guy on top here like this, and lastly do the same thing. Copy the whole code from the rocket ship, drag the code, another code, last one, and we have everything out here, and we are going to replace this code to XY and replace it with its own XY, and that's it. Let's see, click in the green flag, and that's our hologram effect. So thank you guys for joining the tutorial. If you like it, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel, and it helps me a lot. Thank you guys, see you next time.